1300 hours Pakistan Standard Time. Assalamu alaikum. This is Radio Pakistan. The news read by Hassan Gilani. First, the headlines. 74 new deaths and over 3,100 more coronavirus cases have been reported in the country during the last 24 hours. Pakistan has decided to reopen Kartarpur corridor for Sikh pilgrims from Monday. A Bangladeshi American researcher says Indian intelligence agency RAW is involved in destabilizing neighboring countries. United Nations says over 9.3 million Syrians face unprecedented food crisis. And now the news in detail. Nationwide tally of coronavirus has reached 198,883 with emergence of 3,138 new cases across the country over the last 24 hours. 86,906 patients have so far recovered from the disease. The death toll from the virus stands at 4,035 with 74 new deaths reported over the last 24 hours. 21,033 corona tests were carried out during this period. The number of coronavirus infection cases across the world has risen to over 9.9 million, while the pandemic has so far claimed more than 496,990 lives. Over 5.3 million patients have recovered from the disease. The United States tops with over 2.5 million infection cases and more than 127,640 deaths. Pakistan has decided to reopen Kartarpur corridor for all the Sikh pilgrims. In a tweet today, Foreign Minister Shah Mahmood Qureshi said Pakistan has conveyed its readiness to India to reopen Kartarpur corridor on Monday on the occasion of the death anniversary of Maharaja Ranjit Singh. Information Minister Shibli Faraz has said welfare of the people is priority of government and efforts will continue to provide them the relief. In a tweet today, he said the prices of petroleum products have been reviewed due to surge in international oil prices. He, however, said that the increase made in Pakistan is less than when compared with other regional countries. Minister for Power and Petroleum Umar Ayub says prices of petroleum products in Pakistan are lowest in South Asian region despite recent increase in their prices. Speaking in National Assembly today, he pointed out that prices of petrol has increased by 112% over the last 40 days. He said prices of OPEC basket has increased by 46% last month. The minister said present government passed on the benefit of reduction in international oil prices to the consumers. He said we will move forward as per the up and down in the international oil market. Winding up discussion on the cut motions moved by opposition against the demands for grants for industries and production division, Minister for Industries and Production Hamad Azhar said the government will frame new auto policy next year after the expiry of the existing one. Regarding FATF, the minister said the issue was mishandled by the previous government. He, however, said Pakistan has met the majority of the FATF conditions. Bangladeshi American researcher and former Mukti Bahini guerrilla leader Muhammad Zainul Abidin says the Indian intelligence agency RAW is involved in destabilizing neighboring countries in order to gain control over the region. Addressing an international webinar organized by Institute of Policy Studies, he cautioned all South Asian countries against trusting India. He urged them to form a united alliance to prevent New Delhi from exploiting and subjugating them. He said that trusting India was a grave mistake by the Bengali Muslims because this converted East Pakistan into Bangladesh, which later became an Indian proxy state. President Azad Jammu and Kashmir Sardar Masood Khan, while delivering the keynote address, said that without ideological muscle, the Muslims would collapse. In occupied Kashmir, Indian troops have launched a massive cordon and search operation in Poonch district of Jammu and Kashmir region. The troops cordoned off several villages in Sujian and Loran areas of the district and launched searches. United Nations says Syria faces an unprecedented hunger crisis with over 9.3 million people lacking adequate food. International Tennis Federation has announced to postpone holding of Davis Cup and Field Cup for 1 year due to spread of coronavirus. And this is the end of the news. For more news and analysis, log on to our website radio.gov.pk and also watch live video streaming of our bulletins on the link facebook.com/Radio Pakistan News Official.